Gotta get your Christmas shopping done early, man. If not, you're not gonna enjoy the holiday. I kept this one. This year, Christmas is not about me, it's about others. Last year was all about me. So today's the Eddy day. They're not surfing at this beach, but the waves are definitely over 20 foot. The beach is closed, so no swimming. And this is my little update to you. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas. No other real thing. I'll just show you some giant waves for the next minute or two if I can hold the camera steady. I was imagining that one to come all the way up on the shore, but it didn't. It's gotta suck down, and then the big one comes.
Ooh, slow and creepy. You see it? Slow and creepy, not rushy.
I don't know what I see. I see just a big wall of whitewash coming.
It's like a bunch of white horses coming.
Oh, this is looking good. Come on. Come on, don't let me down. Prepare yourself. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Oh, this is looking really good. Is it gonna stop or is it gonna keep coming?
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, look at that! Look at that! All over there! That's so crazy! And then it sucks it in.
Yeah, then it sucks it in. There you go.
See, I told you the slow and creepy one.
There you go. Aloha, Meliklikimaka.